Driving around na naman kami guys. Naghahanap kami ng subway. Hinahanap namin ng subway pero dinala kami sa isang way. Siguro yung pangalan ng way na yon is Subway. Subway siguro ang pangalan ng way na yon. Kaya doon kami dinala ng mapa namin. I've seen it earlier.
Yeah, me too.
I believe it's around this area. Hanapin namin yung subway kasi gusto daw kumain ng salad nitong kasama ko. Ayan, nandito na ulit kami. Ilang beses na kami umikot dito kasi hinihintay namin matapos yung construction worker sa hotel na nag-checkinan namin. Akalain mo ba naman, katabi mismo ng room namin yung drilling nila. Yung drilling nila, habang nag-drill, mafe-feel mo naman yung ground. At saka doon mismo sa tabi ng pader ng wall mismo ng yun, ng room na nakuha namin. So, where are you, subway? Where are you, subway? I don't see subway. Oh, there, honey. That is subway. There. There. Happy ako nakita namin yung subway.
So the address is wrong. The one subway is over there.
I told you, maybe the name of the lane is Subway. That's why it brought us there. It brought us there. Nabubulol-bulol na rin ako. Kanina pa kami sa sasakyan. Okay, another half an hour para makabalik kami sa hotel. Okay guys, bababa na kami kasi bibili daw kami ng salad. Ayan na, magpaparking na. O sige na, see you again.